The art of origami actually originated from Buddhist monks, not the Japanese or Chinese. But after that, the Japanese took credit for the art, which is a misconception. I learned that from myinfacts.com. And the next thing is, I will be teaching you guys today materials needed to do this process and the instructions along with it in that order. And then you'll leave today a new appreciation for paper. I know it's kind of dumb, but you can fold it many different ways and do many different kind of folds and really cool objects. So to start off, I will show you the materials that were needed. First of all, I took a normal piece of paper and I cut off half of that. Folded it and cut it off with scissors. I have right here. And then now I will be teaching you guys what to do. Move on to this. Alright, everybody hold it like this so it's folded. Oh, it's not on. Hold it like this so it's folded. Open it up and take the corner that's not already bent and fold it to the other side. Like that. Create another seam. And then try to make it as flat as possible. Make a really good seam. Just like that. So now you have an X mark like that. And from not that. I'll talk about that later. Alright, next, this is a really tough part. You want to take them and push these two corners in and bring it down. I'll show you guys that again. But you want to bring them in like that. So, since you have a fold, you want to push these two corners in, and it creates like this triangle shape. Real tough. You keep this part right on the table, and then try to bring these two parts in like that. It makes it easier. And fact from Origami Fun is just make sure, it makes it a lot easier if you try to have fun with it and just relax and then make sure you really like show your seams and push part down so it's really good fold. Everybody got that part down for the most part? Alright, the next part is take each of these folds right here and fold it up to the top. And then really good seam. Just take it like this and fold it straight up. Same with the other corner. So then you have it shaped like this. Alright, now the same thing, just flip it over, and then take the corners and do it up to the top again. And usually when people do origami, they use origami paper, and that usually ranges in square pieces from 2.5 centimeters to 25 centimeters. The average and typical would be 15 centimeters. But for this, I use printer paper, which is just as good. I just gotta manipulate it. Alright, now we're at that part. So you have it like this, and it looks kind of ridiculous, but that's alright. You hold it straight down. You take these corners, now you have these things. You want to fold it in to the line, just like that, and just make another triangle. Same thing on the other side. Just take the corner, fold it in like that. Next, flip it over, do the same thing. Oh, and where I got the lengths of 2.5 centimeters and 25 centimeters came from origami.com. And then, so now we have this. You guys got it. Alright, here's the tough part. This part doesn't bend, but these have open flaps. See if you guys can find the ones that have the open one. It's usually at the bottom of it. Take that and fold it right along that. And do that for each one, if you could. And then flip it over, find the flap that's loose like that, and fold it up again. So now we have this even more ridiculous looking shape. Alright, now here's the really tough part. You take each of these triangles and you want to make another seam. So you fold this over that line. Just fold it over just to make a seam there. And then here's the toughest part of all. You see this thing has a little opening right there? stick it, yep, you fold it and you stick it straight in like that. I'll show you guys again with this one. Take this, fold it over, and then you try to get that opening up, like that, like that, and then you just stick this thing right in, and make sure you push down hard and make it a really good seam.
Just on the same side or the other side?
What was that? I'll do this side again too.
It's okay, you can ask.
So you guys have this, and then you bend this over for a seam. The loose flap. Alright. Stick it in. Other side too. Now, what you guys have, this is actually the end. It doesn't look like anything right now. But what you guys all made is actually a blow-up balloon out of paper. So then you take it, and one side has an opening right there. See the opening? And then you blow in it. And then you guys got a balloon out of paper. Not all of you got it, but I have if you want to learn, there is a YouTube video. You basically just type in paper balloon out of air, and then you get that. Just you have to pull it at some points. I know it's kind of ridiculous.
Oh, there.
And then you can always fold it back down and just push it back down. And then if you want to make it easier, you can fold these corners and make a box. But that's not what a normal balloon looks like. And then you got a box. Alright. So today I taught you guys how to make a paper balloon out of paper, obviously, yes. I taught you guys the simple ways to make it easier by folding the seams. I taught you just how useful it is to use paper for many different things. Paper isn't just for studying, it isn't just for homework, which is dumb, I know. You can use it to have fun and just be creative.
Time. All right.